talk again. It will also affect the sight in a very serious one. And there are also minor symptoms like sore throat, headache, nausea and vomiting, abdominal pain, cough, and the person fit swell up for belly. Then our lymph nodes, all the lymph nodes, they can also swell up, and there is weakness. And the person, when it pass urine, there could be protein in that urine. Those are major signs. And the person can go into shock. It can also affect the lungs. There could be bleeding. There could be bleeding from anywhere. And it also affects the brain. Like I said, my person is not hearing well. You know, all our sense, they are inside this head. And later complication, the person may be lossy hair, loss of coordination. You know, they look for where to hold. And then we have already measured deafness, and we have already measured that in most pregnant women, about 80% of this pregnancy will be lost because of the severity of this disease. So we should take note of that. That what really concerns us now, the prevention. How do we prevent it? And in Lassa fever, it's not actually different from malaria or when there is an outbreak like this. Because one person, if they inside had a sick and just draw they don't know, they go bury him. It is when it has affected another person, that people begin to worry that there is outbreak. It's always with us. Lassa fever is with us. But if do not infect another person, nobody will know. So what do we do to make sure that we are not victim? Not our children, our husband, ourselves, our relation did not fall a victim to this Lassa fever. So the first thing we will do, we should try as much as possible to keep our environment clean, free of rat. There are a lot of good rat poison we can give. And when you kill them, also try to pick them and bury them. Don't just throw them away on the road like that. That is one. Then the food we eat, all grain, like garri, don't leave garri in the sack like that and you start taking. Even if you cannot buy a very big rubber, this paint rubber that have cover, or any bucket that have cover, you should put your garri there, because most of these garri, children can actually take it. Like I enjoy drinking garri so much. Now that there's Lassa fever, anytime they bring garri from me from Auchi, that is the sour, I will go fry am first before I will begin eat am. Yes, I dey fear. So you should cover that garri. Then when it comes to rice, the same thing. Let's say we even boil our rice to eat. We also, but most garri, imagine the garri now that you take straight and eat. That is more dangerous. Then rice, even rice, because you are going to wash them, you can also put them in a cover container. Even beans. And if you have plantain that are ripe, put them in your fridge or put them where they, because the rat will still eat it. You know they're coming to eat it. As they are eating, they are shitting on that something. You have fruit. Put fruit away from where rats will have access to them. If you have fridge, you can keep them. If you don't have fridge, if you have a basket, something that can be covered, that the rat will not be able to enter it and shit there. Take note of that. Then even the water we drink is very important. All of us, many people feel that they have to drink pure water. This pure water, as you say, they are not really pure as you think. The production may be pure, but by the time they get to you, the time you want to drink that pure water there, because as if they offload that from motor, you will see some break, they repack it. And when you pick a pure water, like this one now, it has an opening where we will drink it. But a pure water no get where they go drink it, so you can bite it from anywhere. So if you must drink pure water, try and wash it. Try and wash it. Don't just pick pure water and cut it and, because you don't know how many hands. Have you ever been to where they are packing them? Then they pack and never put and go for green. They will pack and again they will put aside, and you will just pick it now and cut it out. So infected water, infected drink, that is where food and fruit, this is where this Lassa fever first come. Then The one they are calling epidemic now, that is in a place we are having more than 5 or 6 people